Where do we live? Yes, in a house. House is a place where our family lives happily together. House keeps us safe from sun, wind, rain, dust and storm, snow, wild animals. House provides shelter to the family and protects it from thieves and enemies. We feel safe inside our house. Different types of houses can be built depending on our needs. Now let us have a look at different types of houses. There are mainly two types of houses, Kacha house and Pakka house. Kacha house, Pakka house. Now let us learn in detail about Kacha house and Pakka house. First, Kacha house. Kacha house. Kacha house is made up of mud, leaves and straw. These houses are not very strong. An example of Kacha houses are hut and tent. Second, Pakka house. Pakka house are made up of bricks, stones, cement and iron. These houses are very strong. Example of Pakka house is building. Now let us take a look at each type of house in detail. Hut. It is made up of leaves and mud. Its roof is made up of straw. Hut may have only one room. Now friends, shall we draw a picture of a hut? Will you all help me? Come on, let us draw. This is the roof made up of straws. This is the door. And these two are windows. These are the staircase of hut. Now let us draw one small tree. Did you all like it? Will you all try it in your notebook? hut, tent, it is made up of cloth. It can be taken from one place to another. So, tent is made up of cloth and it can be taken from one place to another. Friends, now let us try to draw a tent. This is a cloth. And these are the ropes nailed inside the ground. So, tent is made up of cloth and it can be taken from one place to another. Building. A building is tall. Houses in the building are called flats. A building can have many flats. Many families live together in flats. So now let us revise all the points. Building. A building is tall. Houses in the building are called flats. A building can have many flats and many families live together in flats. Now friends, shall we draw a building? Will you all help me? This is a building. It has many floors. Each floor has many flats. In this picture, each floor is having 3 flats. So, our building has many floors and many flats. Friends, now I am going to show you some pictures of huts, tents and buildings. A house can have many rooms. They are living room, bedroom, kitchen, bathroom, dining room, and study room. So, a house can have living room, bedroom, kitchen, bathroom, dining room and study room. Living room, a big and well decorated room where we welcome our guest. In living room, we relax. Bedroom, we sleep in our bedroom. Kitchen. Kitchen is a place where my mother cooks food for my family. Bathroom. We take a bath in bathroom. Dining room. Dining room is a room where we eat our lunch and dinner. Study room. Study room is a room where we sit and study. Points to remember. We all live in houses. A house protects us from heat, cold, rain, storm and snow. Our house also protects us from thieves and enemies. A house keeps us safe. We should keep our house neat and clean. Match the column. On one side I have written the activities we do and other side I have written names of room. So friends, you have to help me to match them up. So friends, where do we sleep? Remember? Yes, we sleep in the bedroom. Where do we meet guests? Yes, we meet guests in living room. Where do we have bath? Remember? Yes, you are right. We take bath in bathroom. Where do our mother cooks food? Yes, in kitchen our mother cooks food. Where we eat our lunch and dinner? Come on, fast. You have to tell me. I have told you earlier. Yes, we eat lunch and dinner in dining room. And where do we study? Yes, we study in the study room. So quickly we will revise. We sleep in the bedroom. We meet guests in the living room. We take bath in bathroom. My mother cooks food in kitchen. We eat lunch and dinner in dining room. And we study in the study room. Match the column. Match the column. Tent. Made up of leaves and mud? No. Made up of cloth? Yes. So let us match. Tent made up of cloth. Kacha house. Kacha house. Is it very strong? No. It is not very strong. Hut. Hut is very strong. No. It is made up of leaves and mud. Pakka house. Pakka house is very strong. House. House provides safety from heat, cold and rain. So now let us revise it. Tent. It is made up of cloth. Kacha house. It is not very strong. Hut. It is made up of leaves and mud. Pakka house. It is very strong. House. It provides safety from heat, cold and rain.